A young man battling despair found hope in a simple phrase, "I am getting better every day." Day after day, he repeated these words, and gradually his reality began to shift. His thoughts became more positive, his actions more focused, and his spirit more resilient. This wasn't magic, it was the power of speaking life into his circumstances. Our words hold immense power. They shape our thoughts, influence our actions, and create our reality. When we speak negativity, we invite darkness and defeat. Conversely, words of hope and encouragement open us to transformation and growth. By consciously choosing our words, we can shift our perspective, boost our confidence, and change our lives. The journey begins with a single step, becoming mindful of the words we speak. The first step to speaking life into your circumstances is recognizing when you're not. This means becoming aware of the moments when your inner dialogue turns negative and starts to undermine your confidence and self-worth. Negative self-talk whispers doubts and fears into our minds without us even realizing it. These whispers can be so subtle that they often go unnoticed, yet they have a profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being. It tells us we're not good enough, smart enough, or strong enough to overcome our challenges. These thoughts can be paralyzing, making us feel stuck and incapable of moving forward. It keeps us stuck in a cycle of defeat, preventing us from reaching our full potential. This cycle can be difficult to break, but recognizing it is the first step towards change. We all experience negative self-talk from time to time. It's a common human experience, but that doesn't mean we have to accept it as our reality. However, it's crucial to catch ourselves when we engage in this destructive habit. By doing so, we can start to take control of our thoughts and redirect them in a more positive direction. Pay attention to your inner dialogue. Notice the words and phrases you use when you talk to yourself. Are they kind and supportive, or are they harsh and critical? Are your thoughts dominated by self-criticism, worry, or pessimism? If so, it's time to challenge those thoughts and replace them with more positive and empowering ones. This process takes practice, but it's worth the effort. Start by simply becoming aware of the negative self-talk. Awareness is the key to change. Once you are aware, you can start to question the validity of these negative thoughts. Notice how often you put yourself down or focus on the worst-case scenario. Ask yourself if these thoughts are based on facts or if they are just assumptions. Once you're more conscious of these patterns, you can begin to challenge them. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths and past successes. By becoming more mindful of your inner dialogue, you can start to shift from a negative mindset to a more positive and empowering one. This shift won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you can transform your inner dialogue and ultimately your life. Once you've identified negative self-talk, it's time to replace it with life-giving words. These are words that uplift, encourage, and empower you. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," try saying, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." Replace "I'm a failure" with "I am learning and growing." Trade in, "This is impossible, for with God, all things are possible." These simple shifts in language can have a profound impact on your mindset and your reality. Choosing life-giving words is about more than just saying the right things, it's about believing them. When you speak words of faith, hope, and encouragement, you align your heart and mind with God's promises. The more you speak life-giving words, the more you'll start to believe them. You'll begin to see yourself and your circumstances through a lens of hope and possibility. Our subconscious minds are incredibly powerful. They absorb everything we tell them, whether it's positive or negative. When we repeatedly speak negative words, we program our subconscious minds for failure, self-doubt, and limitation. On the other hand, when we consistently speak life-giving words, we reprogram our minds for success, confidence, and abundance. Think of your subconscious mind as a fertile garden. The words you speak are like seeds. If you plant negative seeds, you'll reap a harvest of negativity. But if you plant positive seeds, you'll cultivate a garden of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. The key is repetition. Make a conscious effort to replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Over time, these positive seeds will take root in your subconscious mind, transforming your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. You'll begin to see yourself and your circumstances in a new light, and you'll be amazed at the positive changes that unfold in your life. Building a positive vocabulary is like adding tools to your life-changing toolbox. Start by identifying the negative phrases you use most. Write them down. Now, beside each one, write a positive, faith-filled counterpart. This becomes your go-to list when you're tempted to speak defeat. Instead of saying, "I'm tired," try, "I'm going to have renewed energy." Trade. "This is too hard for I'm strong and capable." Rather than "I'm so stressed," go with "I choose peace." This isn't about denying reality. It's about shifting your perspective to align with God's truth. Remember, words have power. They can either build up or tear down. As you become more intentional with your language, you'll find your thoughts following suit. Affirmations are powerful tools for speaking life into your circumstances. They are positive statements that you declare over yourself and your life, expressing your desired reality. Repeating affirmations daily imprints them on your subconscious mind, helping you to overcome limiting beliefs and embrace a more positive self-image. Start by identifying areas of your life where you desire change or improvement. Once you've identified your goals, craft specific positive affirmations that reflect your desired outcomes. For example, if you desire greater confidence, you might affirm, "I am confident and capable." The key to using affirmations effectively is to repeat them with conviction and feeling. Visualize yourself as already possessing the qualities or outcomes you desire. Believe in the power of your words to create positive change in your life. The impact of speaking life extends far beyond ourselves. When we choose positive words, we create a ripple effect that touches the lives of everyone around us. Our words have the power to inspire, uplift, and encourage others, creating a more positive and harmonious environment. Think about a time when someone spoke words of encouragement to you. How did it make you feel? The words we speak have that same power to impact others, whether we realize it or not. Make a conscious effort to speak words of kindness, appreciation, and encouragement to those around you. You never know how your positive words might impact someone's life for the better. Doubt and fear are natural human emotions, but they can become roadblocks to speaking life into our circumstances. Doubt whispers lies, telling us we're not good enough, smart enough, or strong enough to achieve our dreams. Fear paralyzes us, keeping us stuck in our comfort zones and preventing us from stepping out in faith. The key to overcoming doubt and fear is to replace them with faith and courage. When doubt creeps in, counter it with God's word. Remind yourself of His promises and His faithfulness. When fear threatens to hold you back, take a step of faith, knowing that God is with you every step of the way. Choose to focus on your faith, your goals, and the positive possibilities that lie ahead. As you consistently choose faith over fear and courage over doubt, you'll find that your confidence will grow, and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Gratitude is a powerful catalyst for transformation. When we focus on what we're grateful for, we shift our perspective from negativity to positivity, from scarcity to abundance, from lack to fullness. Start each day by expressing gratitude for the simple things in life: the gift of a new day, the roof over your head, the food on your table, the love of family and friends. As you go through your day, make a conscious effort to notice and appreciate the good things, both big and small. Keep a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. When we approach life with a grateful heart, we open ourselves to receive even more blessings. Gratitude creates a ripple effect, attracting more joy, love, and abundance into our lives. Speaking life into your circumstances is not a one-time event, it's a journey. There will be days when it's easy to stay positive and focused, and there will be days when negativity and doubt creep in. The key is to be patient with yourself, to keep your eyes on your goals, and to never give up on the transformative power of positive speech. It's like training for a marathon. You wouldn't expect to run 26.2 miles overnight. It takes time, dedication, and consistency. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and keep moving forward, one positive word at a time. Remember that you are not alone on this journey. As you continue on this journey of positive change, you'll discover a strength you never knew you had, a resilience that will carry you through any challenge. The power to transform your reality lies within you. It begins with the words you speak. When you choose life-giving words, you choose faith over fear, hope over despair, and victory over defeat. You align yourself with God's promises and open yourself to a life of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Start today. Become mindful of your words. Replace negativity with positivity. Declare God's word over your life. Speak blessings over your family, your friends, and your future. The power is in your hands, and it all starts with the words you speak.